pinning your pattern pieces to your fabric. The first thing I want to talk about is making sure that your pins are placed around your pattern. I've placed the pins a few inches apart, close to the edge, around the pattern. On the folded edge, I've placed some pins here sticking out so that I don't accidentally cut this line on the fold. That's a boo-boo. So we want to make sure that all the rest of the pins, though, however, are close to the edge, pinned all the way around. When I pin, I have my pin, I stick it through the fabric, I hold the fabric with one hand. With the other hand, I put my pin through the fabric, and then I push it up. I try not to move the fabric too much. This takes practice. I've been pinning for a long time, but you touch the table, you run the pin along the table, and then you can see how I'm lifting the fabric a tiny bit and then poking the fabric back through. If your pins stick out into the fabric like this, when you're cutting, you will find that they will interfere with the scissors, which is not a good idea. So we always want to make sure that our pins are near the edge, but not overlapping the edge.